You see, cancer cannot get a hold on the body if the liver's working in optimum performance.
Did you know that a healthy liver is your body's first line of defense against cancer and disease? In this video, we'll uncover the secrets shared by Barbara O'Neill, a renowned Australian health expert, on how to naturally detox your liver and supercharge its healing potential. Get ready to discover 7 powerful drinks that not only support your liver, but also help your body fight cancer and other illnesses. 1. Lemon water.
Lemon, the humble lemon, has a great tonic effect. Lemon is one of the best tonics for the liver. So having a warm lemon water in the morning has a nice tonic effect on the liver. Also, lemon alkalizes the tissues, so it's a nice drink to have in the morning to help the tissues alkalize.
While lemons are naturally acidic, they have an alkalizing effect on the body once metabolized, making them an excellent choice for maintaining a balanced pH. Lemon water also stimulates bile production, a key component in breaking down fats and eliminating toxins from the body. This gentle detoxification aids the liver in performing its crucial functions more efficiently. For those concerned about potential acid reflux, sipping the drink slowly over 20 minutes and avoiding consuming it too close to meals can help prevent discomfort. Preparing lemon water is incredibly simple. Slice a fresh lemon, add it to a cup, and pour in freshly boiled water. Whether enjoyed plain or with the addition of aloe for extra digestive support, this refreshing drink is a natural, cost-effective way to enhance liver health and overall well-being. 2. Dandelion.
You might have heard the old saying, bitter to the mouth, sweet to the stomach, and sweet to the mouth, bitter to the stomach. Well, you apply that to the liver. Bitter to the mouth, a sweet tonic to the liver. Now, there are a couple of herbs that you might be interested to know that specifically have a tonic effect on the liver. So let's look at some bitter herbs. Dandelion. Dandelion is a well-known liver herb. How can we eat the dandelion?
Dandelion is a powerful herb known for its ability to support liver detoxification. Its leaves can be consumed fresh in salads, offering a nutrient-rich addition to your meals. The roots, when roasted, make a flavorful coffee substitute that's both caffeine-free and liver-friendly. Additionally, dandelion tea, made from its roots or leaves, is a simple yet effective way to enjoy its detoxifying benefits. Rich in antioxidants and bitter compounds, dandelion stimulates bile production, aiding in the elimination of toxins. Whether eaten or sipped, dandelion is a versatile and natural boost for liver health. 3. Milk thistle. Milk thistle, often referred to as St. Mary's thistle, is a renowned herb for promoting liver health and detoxification. Its active compound, silymarin, protects liver cells from toxins and supports their regeneration. A popular way to enjoy milk thistle is as a tea, made from its seeds or leaves, steeped for a few minutes to release its beneficial properties. The leaves and flowers can also be added to salads, providing a nutritious, slightly bitter twist. 4. Gentian. Gentian is a bitter herb celebrated for its ability to enhance liver function and aid digestion. Its compounds stimulate bile production, which helps detoxify the liver and improve nutrient absorption. Gentian is commonly consumed as a tea, prepared by steeping dried roots in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes, or as a tincture, with a few drops diluted in water before meals. Known for its strong bitter taste, gentian also supports digestive enzyme production, easing bloating and discomfort. Adding gentian to your routine is a natural way to promote a healthier liver and digestive system. 5. Ginger and apple juice.
And a sweet bitter is ginger. So your 10 o'clock juice, which is Granny Smith apple and ginger, I think it's one of the nicest, has a nice stimulating effect to the blood.
The tangy apples provide a source of antioxidants and essential nutrients, while ginger adds an invigorating kick with its anti-inflammatory and digestive properties. Together, they create a potent tonic that stimulates the blood and supports the liver in breaking down toxins more efficiently. Another popular detox juice includes a mix of carrot, apple, celery, greens, and sometimes ginger or beetroot. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene and antioxidants that help repair liver tissue, while celery and greens contribute hydrating minerals and chlorophyll to aid in toxin elimination. The addition of beetroot supports the liver by improving bile flow and helping to break down fats, making it an excellent choice for a deeper detox. Both juices are simple to prepare and can be tailored to your taste preferences. 6. Colon tea.
And the herbs that we offer you are herbs in the form of colon tea. We call it colon tea because they are herbs that gently stimulate, revive, and restore the function of the colon.
Colon tea combines the cleansing power of Cascara sagrada, licorice root, and buckthorn bark to promote colon health. A healthy colon is essential for overall detoxification as it helps the body eliminate waste more efficiently, reducing the liver's workload. By supporting regular bowel movements and preventing toxin buildup, this tea indirectly aids the liver, allowing it to focus on processing nutrients and maintaining balance in the body. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon Cascara sagrada bark, dried. 1 teaspoon licorice root, dried. 1 teaspoon buckthorn bark, dried. 2 cups water. Combine all the herbs in a teapot or saucepan. Add 2 cups of water and bring it to a gentle boil. Lower the heat and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the tea into a mug and let it cool slightly before drinking. Drink this tea in the evening, as its gentle, laxative effect supports the body's natural detoxification process overnight. Use this tea occasionally to maintain digestive health, but avoid prolonged use without consulting a healthcare professional to prevent dependency. 7. Protein drinks. Protein drinks play a crucial role in supporting the liver's Phase 2 detoxification process, which is responsible for processing and eliminating toxins from the body. During Phase 2, the liver converts potentially harmful substances into water-soluble compounds that can be excreted through urine or bile. To help this process, the body requires amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein.
So phase 2 needs protein. Now this explains why yesterday on Monday we gave you 2 protein drinks. So you had 5 juices yesterday. Your 8 o'clock one was green barley, 10 was the protein, 12 was green barley, 2 was protein, and your 4 was green barley, because yesterday your requirements for antioxidants exceeded your liver's requirements for protein. So the protein that we use is a pea protein. It's been pre-digested. One lady said, who digested it? It's an enzyme action, like taking milk to yogurt. That initial breakdown has begun. Remember what the protein does? It mops up those toxic metabolites. Green barley, or liquid chlorophyll, is one of the most potent blood and tissue cleansers there is. So it cleanses the tissues, and also heavy metals. So if someone is detoxing from either of these, I would advise taking the chlorophyll or the green barley or some form 3 or 4 times a day. So it depends on what the problem is.
Protein drinks play a crucial role in supporting the liver's Phase 2 detoxification process, which is responsible for processing and eliminating toxins from the body. During Phase 2, the liver converts potentially harmful substances into water-soluble compounds that can be excreted through urine or bile. To help this process, the body requires amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein. And there you have it, the complete list of 7 powerful liver detoxifying drinks that can help your body fight disease and promote overall health. Remember, your liver is a remarkable organ with the ability to heal and regenerate. By providing it with the right conditions and support, you can help it function at its best. Incorporating these detoxifying drinks into your routine can give your liver the boost it needs to stay strong and effective in protecting your body. Take charge of your health and give your liver the care it deserves.